माननीय सभासदों, माननीय सभापति जी,
papers to be laid on the table. Baitiye. Let me do this formal business. Baitiye. Papers to be laid on the table. Sri Vijay Goyal.
Sir, with your kind permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House the paper listed against my name at serial number 1 in the revised list of business today.
Sri Santosh Kumar Gangwar.
Sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers listed against my name at serial number 2 in today's revised list of business. Thank you.
Sri Fagan Singh Kulase.
महोदय, मैं आज की कार्यसूची के क्रम संख्या 3 पर मेरे नाम के सामने उल्लिखित कागजात सभा पटल पर रखने की अनुमति चाहता हूं।
Sri Jay Sinha.
Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the documents as mentioned against my name at serial number 4 in the revised list of business for today.
Sri Arjun Ram Meghwal.
Deputy Chairman, sir, with your permission, I rise to lay on the table of the House the papers mentioned against my name at serial number 5 in the revised list of the business for today. Thank you.
Now, thank you. Reports of the Department Related Parliamentary Standing Committee on Industry. Sri Narendra Budania.
I beg to report the 276, 277, 278 and 279 report of Standing Committee on Industry as listed against my name.
A report of the Joint Committee of Officers of Profit. Sri Dilip Bhai Pandya.
धन्यवाद सर। मैं आपकी अनुमति से लाभ के पदों संबंधी संयुक्त समिति के 10वें, 11वें और 12वें प्रतिवेदन की एक प्रति अंग्रेजी और हिंदी में सभापटल पर रखता हूं। धन्यवाद।
Thank you. Report of the Public Accounts Committee. Sri Shantaram Nayak. No, you are there. I called you and you have to do that. What is it? What happened to you?
Sir.
Okay, Sri Bhupendra Yadav.
Sir, I beg to lay the Hindi and English version of 51, 52nd, 53rd, 54th, 55, 56, 57, 58th and 59th report of the Public Accounts Committee 2016-17 as listed against my name in today's list of business.
Sri Shantaram Nayak, if that is the case, in such case, you should inform the chair in advance. No, see, no, when your name is, when your name is here, you have agreed, when the chair calls, you have to do it, otherwise you should inform the chair in advance. No, you can't, this way, no, that is not, anyhow, this procedure is not acceptable. Now, statement by Minister, Sri Arjun Jaitley, sorry.
Deputy Chairman, I rise to make a statement regarding the status and implementation of the recommendations contained in the 32nd report of the Department-related Standing Committee on Finance for the demand for grants 2016-17 pertaining to the Ministry of Corporate Affairs.
Thank you. Sri Vijay Goyal.
With your kind permission, I beg to lay on the table of the House a statement on the status of implementation of recommendations contained in the 272 and 277 report of the Standing Committee on HRD pertaining to the Department of Youth Affairs as mentioned at item number 2 in the revised list of business today.
Thank you. Yes.
मैं सर निवेदन करना चाहता हूं कि 70 लोग देश भर में जो नोटबंदी हुई इसके चलते लोगों की एक तरह से हलक से इसलिए मैं और नहीं कहना चाहता उनको भी, चूंकि ये देश के हित में फैसला है। शरद यादव जी, आपसे मेरा कहना है कि इन सारे लोगों के ऊपर कोई जो सरकार ने फैसला किया है, शरद यादव जी, आपको 10 लाख का मुआवजा देना चाहिए। शरद यादव जी, जो लोग
इसलिए हम चर्चा शुरू करेंगे, We will start the discussion.
कम से कम 10 लाख रुपए, 10 लाख रुपए देना चाहिए।
प्रधानमंत्री जी को इधर बुलाना चाहिए।
आपको 10 लाख रुपए देना चाहिए।
सभापति जी, चर्चा शुरू
10 लाख
चर्चा शुरू करने से पहले माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी को बुलाना चाहिए। मामला अति महत्वपूर्ण है। पूरे देश में सरकार ने तो आर्थिक इमरजेंसी जैसा माहौल पैदा किया हुआ है।
I think
पूरे देश के अंदर 90% भारतीय लोग
I am ready to listen to everybody. Why don't you assume your seat?
90% लोग मर रहे हैं, इसलिए प्रधानमंत्री जी को बुलाया जाए, प्रधानमंत्री जी को बुलाया जाए और वो लोगों की दुख तकलीफों को
I am ready to listen to everybody. You take your seat. I will listen to everybody. आप बैठिए।
मुआवजा देना चाहिए सरकार को।
अरे
जो लोग मर गए हैं,
ठीक है,
उनकी देना चाहिए। जो लोग माननीय उपसभापति जी, जो लोग मर गए हैं इनके इस गलत फैसले से, उनको सरकार मुआवजा दे, प्रधानमंत्री जी को बुलाया जाए।
That's what I am saying. या कुमारी मायावती जी वही में बोलते हैं, सब लोग बैठिए, उसके बाद में एक एक आदमी को अवसर देगा। हाँ,
नो सर, आप डिस्कशन शुरू करिए ना, ये क्या होगा? आप डिस्कशन शुरू करिए।
सभी लोग बैठिए।
ये नहीं होगा कि फिर
सभी लोग बैठिए।
डिस्कशन फिर कहेंगे डिस्कशन नहीं हुआ। जो डिस्कशन है उसे
सभी लोग बैठिए।
सुनना पड़ेगा तो पहले।
और अगर सुनना है तो फिर पहले हमारी सुन लीजिए, फिर सुनाए।
अरे सुनिए ना,
ये
आप
नहीं होगा
बैठिए।
कि सुना करके भाग जाइए।
अरे
सुनिए पहले, फिर आप सुनाइए।
आप सुनिए। अरे सुनिए, अगर लीडर ऑफ द हाउस want to speak, he can speak any time. Who is preventing him?
Yes, he will speak.
Yeah,
No problem.
I will call him. You
No
will
problem.
not.
He will speak.
He can ask me. You sit down. Yep. You need not ask me. Leader of the house can ask me. I will allow him. You sit down.
सर
You sit down.
हम डिस्कशन के लिए तैयार हैं, लेकिन माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी आए और चर्चा के लिए तैयार हैं। अभी चर्चा हो जाएगी, उसके बगैर चर्चा कैसे?
सर इसका एक
Don't
ही
do
अर्थ हो
that.
गया, ये डिस्कशन के
राकेश,
लिए
don't do
तैयार
that.
नहीं है और
राकेश,
बहानाबाजी कर रहे हैं।
Rakesh, don't do that.
हर दिन एक नई
No,
कहानी और
Rakesh.
नया बहाना।
I have never seen CPM people doing like this.
इसलिए ये
I have never seen CPM people doing like this. Don't do that. Go back to your seat. No, please. Go back to your seat and say that. Please go back to your seat. No, please. Not the way. This is not the way to do it. Shri Ghulam Nabi Azad, I am ready to admit your 267. Now, Shri Ghulam Nabi Azad, go back. You go back there and say, not on the well. You cannot speak in the well. No. Shouting in the well is of no use. Shouting in the well is of no use. If you go back to your seat, I will give you time. Shri Ghulam Nabi Azad, Ghulam Nabi Azad, I am ready to admit your 267 notice. I am ready to admit the 267 notice of Shri Ghulam Nabi Azad. If only there is order in the house. Why should the treasury benches do this? Mr. Minister, why should the treasury benches do it? Why should the treasury benches do it?
They wanted discussion. Sir, they wanted discussion और they wanted to continue their discussion. इसलिए ये चर्चा को कंटिन्यू करना चाहते हैं।
No, don't do this.
जो है वो इनका अधिकार है सर।
Is blatant indiscipline
आइए ना, अगर वो
Very unfortunate.
हमारे तरफ लोग तैयार हैं चर्चा के लिए।
Why do you do this, Presley Benjal?
They want to discussion continue करना चाहते हैं सर।
See, I see both sides. Both sides, perhaps, do not want the discussion. Not only the opposition, the Presley Benjals are also disrupting the house. That is very unfortunate. I am very sorry. I adjourn the house up to 11:30. 11:30.